Here's what would happen if all Antarctica's ice suddenly melted. This frozen continent holds about 90% of Earth's ice. If it all turned to water at once, our entire planet would change overnight. Underneath Antarctica's ice are buried lakes, canyons deeper than the Grand Canyon, ancient microbes and bacteria that haven't seen the surface in millions of years. Melt the ice and all of that is suddenly exposed and washed into the oceans and our water systems. First, sea levels would rise by about 70 meters. That's over 200 feet. Every major coastal city you know, New York, London, Shanghai, Mumbai, Lagos, Venice, would be gone underwater. Nearly 3 billion people who live near coasts would be forced to flee inland, if they even had time. But it doesn't stop at flooding. The sudden meltwater would mess up the ocean conveyor belt that moves heat and nutrients around the world. That could break food chains, choke off marine life, and even trigger massive climate shifts, from extreme warming in some places to sudden cooling in others. And the ancient microbes that get unleashed on humanity could pose new disease risks, since our immune systems have never encountered them. In order to survive long term, humanity would need to build new inland megacities, find ways to desalinate huge amounts of seawater for drinking, protect crops from salt-contaminated soil, and rapidly develop new medicines to fight ancient microbes and bacteria released from ice and permafrost. But even if we managed all that, Earth would still be hotter, more crowded, and more unstable. Former cold zones like Canada, Alaska, and Antarctica would become the new prime real estate, while huge parts of today's world map gone forever. So if all of Antarctica's ice melted at once, it wouldn't just raise sea levels, it would rewrite where we live, what we drink, and how our planet works. And if we don't slow down climate change now, it may be too late. Because